In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Cloudflare Zero Trust account so you can start securing your private applications and internet traffic with a solid foundation. First, let's quickly talk about what a Cloudflare Zero Trust account actually is. You can think of it as your command center for security. Instead of managing access controls, secure tunnels, and traffic protection from a bunch of separate tools, Cloudflare Zero Trust brings those pieces together in one place. This is different from your regular Cloudflare DNS dashboard, which mainly focuses on things like domains, DNS records, and general website performance and protection. Zero Trust is more about who can access what and under which conditions. One really important point to know before you start: the Zero Trust setup is free for up to 50 users. That makes it especially useful for small teams, test environments, and organizations that want to try out a Zero Trust model without committing budget right away. You'll still log in with your usual Cloudflare account, but the Zero Trust area is its own dedicated environment inside the Cloudflare platform. To begin, sign into your standard Cloudflare dashboard in your browser using your existing account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to get oriented. You'll usually land on the overview page for your account or one of your sites, but what we need is in the navigation on the left-hand side of the screen. Look at the left-hand sidebar and scan down until you see the Zero Trust icon. It's represented by a small shield symbol, which makes it easy to spot among the other options. When you find it, click on that shield icon. This click is what takes you out of the regular DNS and site management view and into the Zero Trust environment, where you'll configure security policies, access rules, and more. If this is your very first time opening the Zero Trust section, Cloudflare will greet you with an onboarding screen instead of dropping you straight into the dashboard. This onboarding page is designed to help you get started with the right defaults and to confirm that you're setting things up under the correct account. On this onboarding screen, look for the button labeled Get Started. When you're ready, click Get Started. That single click is what actually creates your Zero Trust account space behind the scenes, tied to your existing Cloudflare login. From there, Cloudflare will usually guide you through a short setup flow, asking you for basic details like your team or organization name, and then preparing the environment where you'll manage your protected applications, devices, and users. Once you've clicked Get Started, you've effectively created your Cloudflare Zero Trust account. You'll notice that the interface is now organized around concepts like applications, policies, networks, and logs. Instead of traditional DNS and website settings, this is your new command center for access control and secure connectivity. To recap, you logged into your standard Cloudflare dashboard, opened the Zero Trust section using the shield icon in the left sidebar, and on your first visit, used the onboarding Get Started button to spin up your Zero Trust account. From here, you're ready to move on to configuring your first applications, setting up identity providers, or creating secure tunnels, all within the free tier for up to 50 users.